Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be learning rendering of chiffon fabric. So yeah, let's get started. Here I have already done the face illustration and also hair illustration. Now I am rendering the remaining part of the body, which I want to show you in this video. I am giving the transparent effect to the neck, so that's why I am just giving the light skin tone shade to the neck part. And moving forward, I am just giving the outline to the legs with the darker shade of the brown, or you can take any skin tone which is darker to your main skin tone. And now I'm taking the lightest shade and just filling the color inside onto the leg. So yeah, sheer fabric is something which is made using thin thread or low density of knit. This fabric includes semi-transparent, translucent and flimsy clothes. And some sheer fabric becomes more transparent when it gets wet. So there are multiple fabrics includes in sheer category like chiffon, organdy, georgette, lace, tulle, silk organza, netting, muslin. But today's tutorial we are going to learn about chiffon. The first fabric we are going to learn in this session. I'm just completing the skin rendering first, then I will move forward to the main coloring part. Once I done with the skin rendering, I have selected the sap green 391 shade from the Camel Artist watercolor tubes. And now I'm going to give the color to the upper part of the dress, which is the bustier area. So our inside dress is the bodycon fitted dress, which is mini one. So yeah, when you work with watercolors, you just have to make sure that you're not layering up on the wet area again and again. You just have to wait a little bit to give the second layer. So talking about chiffon, chiffon is basically a lightweight fabric and also very translucent. If you give layering to this fabric, it will appear solid base. So yeah, if you want to learn this chiffon rendering technique with me, watch this video till end and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video with your friends if you found this video helpful. Now enjoy the tutorial.